Hi, this is Tristan Clausen, Slim Slady, my YouTube channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you like my channel. This is a really nice, beautiful day. It's really beautiful out. A lot of cars going through. Just walking down here like a loser. Just walking on the side of the highway. It's a really beautiful day. If you really like going outside in the nature, why don't you come out here? It's really nice. I just came from the dollar store and Menards. I just came from those two places. I came from way over there. Now I'm walking all the way over here. And now I'm giving you guys content of the nature. So if you guys like nature and you guys are having tough times through the days, I'm giving you guys content of nature. Don't mind the four-wheeler. Don't mind the content, and don't mind other people and the noise around here. Like I say, it's part of the town, so. It's a beautiful day. Enjoy the nice weather outside. Yeah, I got a question, guys. Do you guys know what that area is? Do you guys know what that area is for? I don't even know. Is that like a park area or something? Write down in the comments if you know what that area is for. I've never been there. Is that like a park or like a trail or something? I don't know. Drop a comment down if you know what that area is about. But this video is just all about nature. Just enjoying the nice under the bridge. Look, I found a bird. You guys looking for a bird? Here's the view of the bridge. Tell me if you hear vehicles going over the bridge. Drop a comment down if you like going on the bridges. What you say? Somebody said Trump 2020 bitches. What? Okay, yeah, somebody did a little graffiti, but yeah, I guess it works. People do graffiti, I guess, but it's really nice going around over here. And please, guys, don't drop trash around. Don't just throw garbage out and stuff. It makes the community look bad, and it's already starting to look bad and stuff. I see something cool up here. I seen this, it looks pretty cool actually. It actually looks really cool over here. Kinda like the design actually. Timber Creek. Tough. Crook. They make these bridges really tough. These are metal beams. But I highly recommend not going up these sides because they're really steep, and I highly recommend not going up them. I just want to give you guys content of my YouTube channel. So that's what this is all about, just giving you guys content about my YouTube channel and making everybody happy. And it was actually nicer under the bridge than being in the sun. I should have just stayed under the bridge. It feels more nicer under the bridge than it just feels more nicer under the bridge because it's more cool and not too hot. But also caution about the vehicles too, but it's pretty cool to hear them under the bridge. But yeah. And then here's the baseball slash football, I guess. I'm not really too sure. I think it's a baseball stadium. A baseball place. A park way over there by the white big building. And this building, I'm not even too sure, but that park's actually pretty good, actually. I never been to the park. But if you... Okay, so I'm just giving you guys content about the nature. So beautiful, it's really hot. You might want to wear shorts. I highly recommend to wear shorts, but for me, I'm just wearing pants because that's just me. But if you like my channel is Slim Slady. If you like my channel, please subscribe if you haven't. If you have, a big thanks to people that are subscribing to my channel. I only have 3 subscribers. I'm trying to get more subscribers. So I'm trying to give you guys content about the nature, and I'm really hoping I can get more subscribers. But if you have any suggestions, like where I should go in Virginia to make a... If you guys have a better like nature place you guys want me to go find and look that out, like going to nature, if you guys want me to go do that, I can go do that. Just drop a comment down in this video if you want to see other places on my YouTube channel about nature. Just please give a like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, try to make them positive, but just we will get through this. We'll get through this. Just stay positive. Peace out.